Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of verifying whether a Gemini verification code text message is legitimate. With the rise of scams and phishing attempts, it's essential to be cautious and know how to protect your information. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you discern the authenticity of any Gemini verification code text message. Step 1. Check the sender's number. The first thing to do when you receive a verification code text message is to check the sender's phone number. Genuine messages from Gemini typically come from a recognized number. If the message is from an unknown or suspicious number, it's best to be cautious. Step 2. Look for personalization. Legitimate verification messages will often include your name or the last 4 digits of your account number. If the message seems generic and lacks any personalized information, it may not be from Gemini. Step 3. Examine the content of the message. Read the message carefully. Official communication from Gemini should be clear and professional. Look out for spelling mistakes, unusual phrasing, or any requests for personal information, such as your password or social security number. These are red flags that might indicate a phishing attempt. Step 4. Verify through the official Gemini app or website. If you receive a verification code and are unsure about its legitimacy, do not respond to the text. Instead, open the official Gemini app or website directly, not through links in the text, and check for any notifications. If you requested a code recently, it will likely be listed in your account. Step 5. Report suspicious messages. If you determine that the text message is indeed a scam, report it to Gemini's customer support immediately. They can provide assistance and may also take action against the scammers. Step 6. Enable additional security measures. To enhance your security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Gemini account. This adds an extra layer of protection, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access your account. Always remember to be vigilant and protect your personal information. Scammers are becoming increasingly sophisticated, so staying informed is your best defense. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content and keep you informed. Thank you for watching, or